Good afternoon, children of the globe. It's lovely to be back with you on this Monday afternoon singing assembly. I'm afraid you'll have to excuse the strange noises in the background. My puppy, there she is, she's a bit overexcited. She's got a blanket. It's very fun, apparently. Okay, let's warm up our voices. Let's start with some simple stretching. Stretch all the way up, and I'd like you to go, ah. And again, ah. Oh, oh, oh. Let's pretend we're a squeeze box, shall we? And go, woo, woo, woo. Can you feel your muscles pushing out all that air? Well done. Okay, let's do a little bit of bubbling. Let's bubble the song Happy Birthday. That's a good standard, isn't it? Okay. Well done. Okay, so yesterday I was at the collective virtual choir rehearsal in the evening, and they said bubbling with a straw even better when you actually put it in water, because what happens is that it creates even more back pressure. So while you're pushing air through your vocal folds, the very fact that you're narrowing it down through a straw means that some of the air is being held back, and the fact that it's going through water is holding back even more air. So as you push it through, there's also this pressure being applied on the other side of your vocal folds, so that it's just keeping them held gently in place, so that you're not pushing the air through and they're sort of flapping about everywhere and getting sore. Like if you started suddenly doing a 100-meter sprint without warming up your muscles, that would happen as well, sort of over usage of them. So using a straw and some water is also a really great way to gently warm up those vocal folds, but do it really effectively. So let's do Happy Birthday again using the straw. It's very weird to do the first time you do it. If you haven't got a straw, you can always use a pen, such as this one. Take off the end of it, take out the middle, give it a bit of a wipe down. You don't want to put it in your mouth when it's just been in your pen pot. And then you can put that in the water and it does exactly the same job. But I've got my metal straw, so I'm going to use that one. Okay, you ready? Starting there. Now you'll have noticed that I made a little bit of a mess because I've got quite a lot of water in there. So not as much water as that, I think. A little bit less water. I might even pour some of that out. Let's pour some of that out. Do that again. Oh, even more, even more. Okay, ready? Okay, I still got covered in water though. Did you? Yeah. Right, let's just do a little bit of a round, shall we? Why not? I think what we'll do is I will pinch something I did a few weeks ago and we'll do Kookaburra together. Okay? I'll stay in time. I'm just going to pause myself and put on my metronome so that I don't get out of time. Now remember, when we're doing a round, we've got to come in at the right time. So it goes, Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Next person comes in. Mary, Mary, king of the bushes, he. Next person comes in. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh. Ah, Kookaburra, laugh. Kookaburra gay, your life must be 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think the laugh, Kookaburra, laugh, that's where another one comes in. Okay, so I will record myself doing it a couple of times, and I'll put myself in the video, 1, 2, 3, and then you come in on the fourth one. It might be the third one. We'll soon find out, won't we, when I try putting it together and go, oh, that doesn't work. I'll add a little note in here that says, wrong, or yes, Mrs. Cole was right. Well, we'll see, won't we? Okay. Okay, I've got my trusty metronome going at 100 beats per minute. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Mary, Mary sits in the old gum tree.
Mary, Mary, kids in the bushes, tree. Mary, Mary, life must be. Kookaburra, life must be. Mary, Mary, kids in the bushes, tree. Mary, Mary, kids in the bushes, tree. Mary, Mary, life must be. Kookaburra, your life must be. Kookaburra, your life must be. Well done.
Okay, so this week's singing assembly, we are singing There's a Power in the Music, which I'm sure you all remember from our Sing Up Day that we had earlier in the year. We still haven't had any word on that though, actually, so I'm really looking forward to seeing that video coming out, and the minute I know when it's come out, I will let you know. Meanwhile, some things to watch out for in this song. Firstly, in the first verse, we've got that slightly higher 2, where it says, scroll back up to the top of the music, when you're feeling lonely and you don't know where to turn, hopes and dreams are fading and your bridges start to burn. And then the first chorus, there's no harmony. And then the second chorus is when we start to get the harmony, and it's the, there's a power, there's a power. You try it. There's a power, there's a spirit, your turn. There's a spirit, when our voices join together, we are one, and then it's got a little ooh that goes, ooh, ooh, careful for that scrunchy note, try it with me, ooh, ooh. Let's do that one more time. Ooh, ooh. Fabulous. Well done. Okay, let's have a go. Here we are. There's power in the music. When you're feeling lonely and you don't know where to turn, hopes and dreams are fading and your bridges start to burn, just remember when you look, a friend is always near. So let your voice sing out again so everyone can hear. There's a power in the music, there's a spirit in the song. When our voices join together, we are fearless, we are one, and we feel a sense of freedom as it carries us along. There's a power in the music and a spirit in my song. Sometimes you feel nervous and at other times you're shy. You lose your sense of purpose and the will to stay and try. Then I see you smiling as the music starts to play. You hear the beat resounding and it blows the clouds away. There's a power in the music, there's a spirit in the song. When our voices join together, we are fearless, we are one, and we feel a sense of freedom as it carries us along. There's a power in the music and a spirit in my song. Stand together and we sing as one. We can change the world with a song. Spread the message, we are strong and free. We are sister, we are brother, we are one big family. Oh, now your heart is beating to the rhythm of that drum. Nothing is impossible, a hero you've become. Singing lifts the spirit, heals the heart and feeds the soul. Singing makes makes us stronger. We can reach for any goal. There's a power in the music, there's a spirit in the song. When our voices join together, we are fearless, we are one. And we feel a sense of freedom as it carries us along. There's a power in the music and a spirit in my song. There's a power in the music, there's a spirit in the song. When our voices join together, we are fearless, we are one. When we feel a sense of freedom as it carries us along. There's a power in the music and a spirit in my song, in my song, in my song. Thank you for singing with me. Now, don't forget, there's still time to get your entries in for next week's singing assembly, because it's next week's one. I said on the last email that I would take entries up until Tuesday evening. Now, obviously, I'm at work this week, so there's not a lot of time for me to do it. Now, I'm happy to put it all together at the weekend, and I've done most of it already, but I would love to have some more submissions in. So you can email those to the office, or you can email the office saying, could you let Mrs. Cole know that we've got a submission? I'll put your email address into my Dropbox, and then you can upload it directly. Any questions? Just email and ask, and I will do my best to sort that out for you to help you to put your submission in. Hope to see you all very, very soon. Have a lovely week. Bye.